In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off your flashlight by double tap at the back side of your iPhone, just like that. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down until you find Accessibility, then get into Touch, and then scroll down to the very bottom, and that's where you can easily find Back Tap feature. You can just get into it, then select Double Tap or Triple Tap. I've chosen Double Tap. And that's where you can just select that flashlight feature right here, because by default double tap feature is set to none, so you can just tap at flashlight or at any other that features from that big list. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.